While OnePlus is preparing to re-release the Realme GT Neo 3 twice under the names OnePlus 10R and OnePlus Ace, Realme itself continues to release smartphones, and this time the novelty has joined the ranks of the V series. The Realme V23 premiered in China today. This is a device with a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS screen, 2408 by 1080 pixels, an 8-megapixel front camera and a 5000 mAh battery. Inside the Realme V23 case with a thickness of 8mm and a weight of 186 grams, there is a Dimensity 810 chipset, up to 12 gigs of RAM, and up to 256 gigs of internal memory. In terms of memory, the manufacturer was clearly generous and gave it in abundance. The smartphone has a fingerprint scanner at the end, a 3.5mm headphone jack, 33-watt fast charging, and a dual rear camera, where a 2-megapixel sensor was given to the main sensor and a pair of 48-megapixel. The Realme V23 is run by the Android 12 operating system, with the Realme UI 3 shell. It is noteworthy that even in the basic version, the smartphone has a flash drive with a capacity of 256 gigs. They offer to choose from variants with 8 and 256 gigs or 12 and 256 gigs of memory, at a price of $267 and $298, respectively. Realme has released a teaser announcing that the presentation of the Q5 and Q5 Pro smartphones running the Android 12 operating system with the proprietary Realme UI 3.1 user interface will take place on April 20th. The base version of the Realme Q5 will reportedly feature a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels, an unnamed octa-core processor, 4 or 6 gigs of RAM, and a 128 gigs flash drive. There is an 8-megapixel camera on the front, and a dual camera with 13 and 2-megapixel sensors on the back. The more powerful Realme Q5 Pro smartphone will carry a Snapdragon 870 processor, 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, and a 128 or 256 gigs drive. The screen size will be 6.62 inches diagonally. The resolution is Full HD Plus, 2400 by 1080 pixels. The refresh rate is 120 Hz. The front camera will be able to form 16-megapixel images. For the rear camera, a 3-component configuration is provided with sensors for 64, 8 and 2 megapixels. Both new items will have a fingerprint scanner and a 5000 mAh battery. However, we will for sure discover more details about these upcoming Realme smartphones in the next few days. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. See you soon.